Where is that person? Where is that person? Who is your teacher? Who is your teacher? Why is he sad? Why is he sad? What is your mother's name? What is your mother's name? When did she finish her homework? When did she finish her homework? Which food is your favorite? Which food is your favorite? Where is my dog? Where's my dog? How is your day? How is your day? Who wrote this essay? Who wrote this essay? Why is she waiting for you? Why is she waiting for you? What color do you use to paint? What color do you use to paint? When do your holidays start? When do your holidays start? How much is this cabbage? How much is this cabbage? Where did you put my book? Where did you put my book? Who is behind you? Who is behind you? Why don't you go to the city? Why don't you go to the city? What did you ask about her? What did you ask about her? When are you going to play basketball? When are you going to play basketball? What time did you leave the class? What time did you leave the class? What is his school? What is his school? Who is taking care of you? Who is taking care of you? How did you learn to cook fast? How did you learn to cook fast? Which country do you want to travel to? Which country do you want to travel to? Thank you for watching. I hope you learned these sentences well. Please like, share and subscribe if you want more videos like this.